people, I actually kind of like an animal hospital. One, Rathew. There's literally nothing you cannot like about him. He is just so adorable and helps us out all the time, and is definitely the GOAT and has a W design.
2. Dr. Harlow probably is the most basic, but they are extremely useful. But only sometimes. But they can get a little bit annoying. 3. Secret agent. They can be extremely useful, especially during anomaly attacks, but I don't know why. But I just low-key find them kind of hot nut in a weird way. 4. Barney. They used to be extremely helpful in the start, even called us a friend. And they also used to give us very good information about Ron, but then they started getting really annoying over time about the fucking coffee.
That's it, right? Spy.